activator, contact solution, borax, or you can use this ELMER'S magical liquid. You also need glue, any type of glue. I'm going to use this new metallic glue. And I got some glitter just for decorating. You don't have to. You can even color if you use white or clear glue, food coloring. Or you can use pigment or paint. So go ahead and get that. Pause the video, get that if you want. Okay, let's get started. I also got this mixing tool. You need glue, activator, any decorations to decorate, and a mixing tool. I'm using this popsicle stick. First, you are going to take off your lid of the ELMER'S glue. Then you're going to pour it in. Like that. Oops. Sorry, I accidentally got it on the floor. Now you're going to I'm going to mix this in first. Just if I need to. Sometimes you would mix it in with your mixing tool, and you're going to add a little ELMER'S magical liquid, which will turn it into slime. It's sticking it up, even though we haven't even added that much. Wow, it looks so pretty, but it's so sticky. So that means we need more. Just like this. Okay, I have lots on my fingers. This will probably be the only amount I would use. You could knead it with your hands. Just knead it until it's not sticky. It's really sticky, but I am kneading it, so it's helping it to not be sticky anymore. To put it back in the bowl so that, okay, this is like really messy. I will go grab a tissue, so I'm just gonna wait for a minute. I'm just grabbing a tissue. So I'm wiping it on my hands now. I sat back in my chair, and ew, the stuff is just gross. Pour in more. That's probably the amount we need. I'm just gonna mix it with my mixing tool. You could use a spoon, a toothpick, anything you could imagine, even a popsicle stick. Okay, this is forming better. It's actually turning into slime. And it's almost slime. Just need to knead. That's a joke you could do on your friends. Like, for slime, you need to knead your slime. Okay, it's getting to be slime, more slime-like. You can put this in a container. I forgot to prepare that. So you can go get that container. Just pause the video while I knead my slime. Okay, if you are back and you got everything else you need, like maybe I didn't have anything else, just when it's like starting to get more into slime. Okay, I'm gonna try putting it on the table. I'm gonna remove my bowl real quick. And I'm gonna collect them from this. I'm gonna put the lid on here. My activator. activator. Okay, that's slime. It's already slime, so this 100% works. And then we can try to get the slime that is in here. And this is blue. So I think there's like lots of colors of you can use glitter glue, clear glue, white glue, color glue. You could use metallic glue, and I think there's a color change glue. Yeah, there's color change also. This was $2 because I found it in the clearance section, and it's just like really, really soft now. Just not so sticky as it was before. Okay, this is taking long because I had to keep on kneading it with my hands before decorating. I'm going to get the rest that is in here. It's so metallic. If only it was magnetic. There is a special powder you can get online, but I don't have that. And I don't think I'm going to get it online. Because we only buy, you guys could find it at Walmart, something really special like that. I'm not sure. Just put it in here to collect all of that activator. Put lotion if it's too hard. That is a slime tip or hack. It's time to decorate. Here I'm going to get some glitter because, and there's never too much glitter or confetti. I'm just trying to put it in, it's just really hard. Oh my gosh, this slime is so pretty. Can we make a swirl? Yep. Well, I think it's time to add the next type of glitter. Pink glitter. I'm just gonna add a little, because I don't want it to turn it crunchy. I just want it to be soft. I already have a crunchy slime. I'm going to collect the rest from the bowl. It's hard to do it because whenever I pour in the activator, it's like really hard. That stuff at the bottom. Now you guys could put it in your container while I show you another type of my other slimes. I have more for here, which are like really cool. I just made this one. So soft. And I have 3 others. I just have it in another bedroom. This is my bedroom. And look at this slime, guys. It may be ugly, but it's so fun to play with. Let's put those back in the container. And then the first 2 I made was this one. I once tried making a video with these slimes. There's green and pink, but there was an error in between it. I had this pink and green, but the green one's like really ugly. I don't know what happened to it. And this is the ugliest type of slime ever because it's a tissue. And it's almost the end of the video. Okay, let's just do some stuff with the slime. Poke. Another swirl. And maybe a bubble. Can we do a bubble? Is it stretchy enough to do a bubble? Probably. Let's move the slime. The other slimes. That's a bubble. It's not sticky, it's the right consistency that your slime should be. Or if you want it harder, less stretchy, or if you want it stickier, like really stretchy, that'd be cool. Okay, I'm going to shape it out so that the ending can start. So let's shape it into a ball. Okay guys, it's the end of the video, but don't forget to tap on my circle. Raquel V Kawaii, I changed it, I know, but I like that name better. And whenever you tap on that circle, you can see all of my videos, like really all of them, like actually most of them, not all of them because the old ones you guys can't really see. So, don't forget to view those to the end and comment that you guys did in my videos. Comment hashtag slime. Wait, no, actually hashtag caticorn, like a cat unicorn. So on those videos and this video, if you have subscribed and viewed it all the way to the end, so comment that here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye!